In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop shadow in Adobe Express. To start, open Adobe Express and either create a brand new project or open an existing one that you want to enhance. Give the canvas a moment to load and make sure you're in the editor view so you can see your layers and the options panel on the right. Ensure the text or image you plan to style is visible on the canvas so you're ready to apply the effect. Next, click directly on the text or image you want to apply the shadow to. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and the contextual controls appear. This step is important because Adobe Express shows different options depending on what's selected, and the shadow controls won't appear unless the element is active. With your element selected, look to the right panel and find the Effects section. This is where Adobe Express keeps visual treatments such as shadows, outlines, and more. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the panel or expand the section so the effect options are visible. Keeping your focus on the right panel will make the next adjustment quick and straightforward. Now, choose Shadow or Drop Shadow. The exact label may vary slightly by element type, but both options give you the classic, soft edge that creates depth. Once selected, the shadow will appear behind your text or image, and you'll gain access to controls that let you fine-tune the look. Adjust the opacity, blur, angle, and distance until the shadow feels natural. Opacity controls how strong or faint the shadow appears. Lower values keep it subtle, while higher values make it bold. Blur softens the edges so it looks less harsh and more realistic. Angle determines where the light source seems to be coming from. Moving it can help the shadow match other elements in your design. Distance sets how far the shadow sits from the object, which changes the sense of elevation. As you tweak these sliders, keep an eye on how the shadow interacts with your background colors and textures. Subtle changes usually read as more professional, especially for body text, while titles can handle a bit more contrast. If the shadow feels muddy, reduce blur and lower opacity. If it disappears into a dark background, increase distance slightly or raise opacity just enough to bring it forward. And that's all it takes. By selecting your element, opening effects, choosing drop shadow, and dialing in those 4 controls, you'll add depth and polish to any design in Adobe Express.